Dear learners, welcome to our online class. I am Ratan Hazar from Nurnagar of the High School. Today, I will discuss voice change of imperative sentence. At first, I will write the structure of passive voice of imperative sentence. Next, we will do some exercises. Notice the structure of the imperative sentence, passive voice. PV, passive voice. Let plus object plus B plus V3. V3 means past participle form of verb. Now I will cite some example. At first, I will give some examples of imperative sentence affirmative form. Read the book. Active form is read the book. The passive form of this sentence will be let. At first we will take let. The object of this sentence is the book. Let the book. Next we will put be. Let the book be. The V3 of read is read. Read. Let the book be read. Next, negative form of imperative sentence. Active. Do not kill the dog. This is a negative form of imperative sentence. How can we do it passive? If the active voice is negative, passive must be negative. You must remember it. Passive form is let, not. The bird is the object. Let not the bird be killed. Next, another type of imperative sentence. There is also another type of imperative sentence, and how can we do that? Notice the active voice of this type of imperative sentence will begin with let, and the passive voice also will begin with the help of let. Example, active. Let me do it. There are two objects in this sentence, me and it, and we can change this sentence in this way, and notice it carefully. The passive form of this sentence will be let it be done, and we will put by and another object me. This is inanimate object and animate object. By me. Let it be done by me. Let him, another example, let him call a meeting. In the same way, we can change this sentence from active to passive. Passive for a meeting, let a meeting be called by him. This is also another type of imperative sentence. And in the meantime, we have learned the passive form of imperative sentence, and now we will move to another portion, that is passive voice of interrogative sentence. Passive voice of interrogative sentence. Passive voice of interrogative sentence with the interrogative sentence which begins with who. Who. Notice example, active form, who has done it. This is an interrogative sentence and it is present perfect tense. In the previous classes, we have learned the changing of voice of different tenses, and at first we have to find out the subject and object. Who is the subject and of this sentence, and it is the object of this sentence. The passive form of this sentence will be, according to general rule, we have to take object first, then we will start the passive form of the sentence. It is the object and we will take it at first. Notice that as it is an interrogative indicative sentence and it is present perfect, we have to follow the rules of present perfect. It is the object, it, and it will take has. As it is an indicative sentence, has will come first. Has it been done? Next we will use by. Who? The objective form of who is whom. By whom. But we will not write by whom in the last portion of this sentence, and we will put it at the beginning of this sentence. By whom? By whom? We should, according to general rules, we should write by whom at the last portion of this sentence, but we will not write by whom in the last portion of this sentence, but we will write it at the beginning of this sentence. Next example, active. Who will help me? Who will help me? The passive form of this sentence will be by whom shall I be helped? As it is a future indefinite tense, the passive form will follow the rules of future indefinite. And in the meantime, we have learned two things in this class: the changing of voice of imperative sentence and the changing of voice of interrogative sentence which begins with who. I hope you have taken a clear conception from this class and practice more at home, and I hope that you will be able to do everything if we remember the structure of the sentences and the structure of the passive voice of the sentences of different tenses. Thank you all.